Hello there. Welcome to the DST family. In today's video we take a look on hosting, hacking or development environments in a VirtualBox. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for your support. To our new visitors, welcome, and please consider subscribing. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Installation. Once you have your downloads with you, launch VirtualBox, and on the top right corner, click on New. Next, give your environment your desired name. Select the type of your OS. Next, select the version. Kali is Debian and based, either 64 or 32-bit depending on the type of your hardware. Click on Create and let's continue. We are almost there. I recommend you allocate your lab half of the available RAM in your machine, but a minimum of 1 GB of RAM will work out fine. Next, allocate storage space to your lab. A minimum of 16 GB of disk storage is recommended, but since it's a lab you will frequently use, 30 GB will work out fine. Next, click on Settings and follow along the tutorial, setting each section just like I'm demonstrating. Once that is done, click on Start to start up your machine. Once it's started, click on the folder-like icon and click on Add. Locate your ISO image from your downloads and click on it. Next, we need to mount our ISO image to the virtual lab. It might take a while to start up, so be patient. Congratulations, you just booted into Linux. Exciting, right? Comment below how your first Linux experience felt like. Click on Graphical Installation and be patient as the machine boots up. Select your language, location, region. Once that is done, wait for the installation to finish. For the host name, leave it as default. Set up your username and passwords. Use a password you won't forget. This will be your root password and our login password. For our partitioning, click on Guide Right Disk and press Continue. Now select your storage, which is the space we allocated to the hard disk earlier. Next, click on All Files in one partition. Once that is done, finish partitioning and click Continue. Software selection. Make sure to select one desktop environment for your installation. I would recommend the XFCE one. Select Yes to install Grub bootloader, and select the Dev Star to install Grub. Once the installation is complete, boot into your Linux environment and Input your credentials. Congratulations! You made it! Thanks for watching till the end. Please, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Share, subscribe and comment. Till next time, keep safe and work smart. Spider is out.